How to write fractions in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then at the top, click on Insert. After you've clicked on Insert, you'll find Equation in here. On the top right, click on it. It will expand. And at the bottom, you'll find Insert New Equation. Click on it. After that, in here you'll find fraction at the top. Click on fraction. You'll find different types of fraction. Simply click on the first one for the normal fraction. After you've clicked on it, you'll find it in your sheet. Now to edit, simply click on the first box where you want to add your number, then second box. You can also press on enter to add more lines in this way. If not, delete it by pressing on delete. And this is how to write fraction in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.